R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Hello everybody, it's Mr. Mike here, and today we are going to learn how to draw a paintbrush. We're not going to be painting a paintbrush, we're going to be drawing a paintbrush. And this particular paintbrush, you only need two basic lines and shapes to make it. Two basic lines and shapes, that's it? What are they, Mr. Mike? Well, we're going to use an arc and a line. What? An arc and a line, that's all we need to create this beautiful paintbrush? How does it all fit together? Well, let's find out. Let's start off at the bottom of the paper. We're going to create an arc right here. And then we're going to create an opposite arc going the other way here. Go this way. And now it looks like a wavy line. And then we're going to create a large arc connecting from here, starting at the point. And then we're going to have it come down and around and go up toward this arc, but we're not going to connect it. Now we'll take another arc and we're going to close this off. Look at that. So that is our brush for the paintbrush. Now we're going to take two lines and start over here. We'll go up on an angle. And then we'll do this again. And this holds the bristles in place for the paintbrush. Now we're going to close this off with another arc, just like that. And now we're going to create a line. It goes up on an angle, and then another one here. It goes up on an angle. Okay, and then we'll take another arc. It'll just be a short little arc that is just going to curve around, just like this, on either side. Okay, just to get a little bit of a curve. And now we're going to draw a line that goes all the way up. And it's going to taper inward. Watch. So the line goes up on an angle, and it's going to go up toward this corner. This is a long handle for the paintbrush. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side, except we're going to go inward toward this, but they're not going to connect. You're going to have it come here. So put a dot where you want it to go to. And then you can start here, and then that is where you're going to, where the dot is. So you have your goal already pointed out where you're going to go. Okay? So now we have our handle. We're just going to close it off with another arc up here. And we're almost done. Let's add the detail on the bristles. So we'll start here at the point, and we're going to make an arc that goes inward up to this point here on the arc. And then we'll add another one that goes to a point here. And then we can even have it go an opposite way, where we'll start here, we'll do an opposite curve and go to the point here. So now we have some bristles. We'll add one more arc just in here. Okay, so now I'm going to take my marker, I'm going to create a thick black outline around the whole piece. So let's see, let's do this. And now, if you had any lines that were a mistake, you can cover that up with a thick black line. Did you know that you can do that? I do that all the time. I make lots of mistakes. Sometimes I like the mistakes. Sometimes the mistakes, they just happen, and I like them even better than what I was planning. Look at that amazing paintbrush we made together. Wow! We only need two basic lines and shapes to create a paintbrush. That's incredible! What color are you going to make your paintbrush? Thanks so much for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye!
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. T-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.